In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit slides in image slider modules. We'll start right inside your content editor so you can follow along. First, open the page where your image slider lives. In your main navigation, go to Content, then choose Website Pages. If your slider is on a landing page or a blog, you can select those sections instead. Once you see the list of pages, click on the one you want to work on to open it in the editor. When the page layout loads, look for the image slider directly on the preview. Go ahead and click on that image slider module. As soon as you select it, its settings and slide options will appear in the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll do all of your slide editing and management. To edit an existing slide, move your mouse over the slide you want to change in the sidebar list. You'll see a small pencil icon appear. Click that pencil icon to open the slide editor. Here you can update the image, the caption, and the link for that specific slide. For the image, you can either upload a new file from your computer or browse your existing images in the media library. Uploading is useful when you have a brand new graphic or photo, while browsing the library is perfect for reusing images you've already optimized. Take a moment to choose a clear, high-quality image, since this is what visitors will see first. Next, update the caption. In the caption field, type the text you want to display on top of or below the image, depending on your template. This could be a short description, a headline, or a call to action. Keep it brief and easy to read so it looks clean on all devices. If you want the slide to be clickable, use the link to drop down. Here you can link to another page, a specific URL, or another type of resource depending on your setup. This is especially helpful if your slider is being used to promote featured content or offers. To add a brand new slide, look at the bottom of the slide list in the sidebar and click the Add button. A new slide will appear, and you can repeat the same steps. Choose an image, write a caption, and set a link if needed. You can also reorder or delete slides from this list. To change the order, click and drag a slide up or down until it's in the right position. To remove a slide you no longer need, click the trash icon next to it and confirm the deletion. When you're finished making changes, don't forget to save. At the bottom of the sidebar, click Apply Changes. This updates the module with your new images, captions, and slide order. Then, make sure to update or publish your page so visitors see the latest version of your image slider.